This is the Drive Auto car organizer. Let's check quality. All right, this is the this is the divider, and this thing can open up like a pretty big. It can be folded like this. You can just use one part of it like this, and you can use the other part. And I think they're cardboard inside and pretty stiff. And here it got extra pockets, so you can put a lot of stuff inside. I think the pocket is pretty big, like this. And this one have the lid. And here, what's this one? Yeah, this is another divider. You see, this got a pretty good design, and you can just, they got a little bit of buttons. You can just close it. Yeah, this is another divider. This is only half big. I think this is pretty good. And for this part, you get another divider like this. And you can put your groceries, whatever stuff inside. Just, you see, it got a lot of room. If you don't need this, just put this one in your vehicle. You see how thin it is. And this is the bottom. So just put somewhere, and when you need this after your shopping, just pop this one up. Really big, super big. Highly recommend it. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.